Hey there, fantastic learners. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, where every video is a step closer to becoming a math superstar. Last time, we explored the awesome world of division through sharing and grouping. If you missed that adventure, don't worry, you can catch up later. And if you've been with us, give yourself a high five for being an eager learner. Today, we are unlocking another magical door, division facts. Get ready to dive into dividing by 2 and 5. Now, let's get ready for an exciting journey. Remember when we shared cookies and grouped marbles in our previous lesson? Well, those were our first steps into the world of division. Sharing helps us split things equally, while grouping lets us organize them. Today, we are taking these skills to the next level. Now, picture a treasure chest filled with sparkling gems. We are going to share them among 2 friends, division by 2. See? Each friend gets their fair share of gems. Just like that, we've divided our treasure into 2 parts. But wait, there's more. Imagine an array of 15 colorful balloons. We are going to group them into sets of 5, division by 5. You're doing amazing. We've grouped the 15 balloons into sets of 5. Say with me, 15 divided by 5 equals 3 groups. Now, let's put our new division skills to the test. What's 10 divided by 2? Take a moment to think and recall our sharing magic. You're a math wizard. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Incredible. Time for a quick recap. Division by 2 means sharing equally, while division by 5 involves grouping into sets of 5. For example, 16 divided by 2 equals 8, and 25 divided by 5 equals 5. You on fire. Brace yourselves for a division puzzle challenge. You have 18 candies. Can you figure out how many friends you can share them with, giving each friend 2 candies? You've got this. 18 divided by 2 equals 9 friends. Unbelievable. You're division dynamos, my friends. Remember, division isn't just about sharing and grouping, it's about making math your ally. Make sure to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers, for more exciting math adventures. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the world of numbers. Until our next math expedition, keep shining and stay curious.